everyone, have you ever wanted your grass character to ask you your name and talk to you? Today we're going to make a friendly penguin that says hello and talks to you. Let's start coding. We delete the default character that is sprite 1 and then we choose a sprite. Here's a whole list of sprites, but I will be needing sprite from animal section. I guess it's got a few new ones, like this one wasn't there before. We're gonna look for a penguin. Where'd it go? Did I miss it? Okay, then let's just search. Let's see, this one. Well, this one looks good. Perfect. Now we're gonna choose a backdrop. We're gonna go to, well, let's try, okay, this one would work out. Perfect. It's perfect for a penguin, don't you think? I think it's great for a penguin. As always, we start with event. One green flag click that is right there at the top of the stage beside the red hexagon. A little glimpse onto its costumes. Okay, this one is the one that we're using. We won't be using this one. Well, it makes it look like it's walking. We're even going to need this one. But right now we're going to use this. Let's try to rename penguin. Penguin shocked. It looks like that. And then penguin walk. And then penguin step. There. We've got that, so now we're gonna go to looks, choose a switch costume to penguin walk, and then we're gonna make it go to, well, we're gonna make it go to that place. It's gonna be right about, okay, first I remove this block, or else it is not gonna move. Okay. Okay. Go to, now we're gonna set the value over here. That's written right over there. That's minus 214. And on the other side, it's gonna be 7. No, I want it to remain 3. Add it right there. And then we want it to glide 1 second. So we're gonna be wanting it to glide right about here. So we're gonna bring it glide 1 second to minus 21.3. Okay, so it glides here. And then we're going to want it to switch its costume again, and we're going to want it to switch its costume into the first one, which was penguin. And then we want it to say, hi, I am pengu. Hi, I am Pingu. We're going to be wanting it to say that, so that when we're going to start, it's going to glide here and say, hi, I am Pingu. I think it's too fast, so we bring it glide 3 seconds instead. Let's see how it's going to be. Yeah, that looks better. And then we're going to have to the sensing and make it ask. We're gonna make it ask, what's your name? And then we're gonna go over to looks, and we're gonna make it this block right here. We'll say we're gonna go to operators. Over here we're gonna use the join one. We scroll right there, join apple banana, but we're not gonna be using apple banana. We're gonna say hello, and then we're gonna go back to sensing, and we're gonna choose answer on this place for 2 seconds. Okay, so let's see how it's now. I'm gonna write my name. Then press the tick over there. Then hello, but we're gonna make it have a space in there, like one space. That would help us. And then we're gonna make it say, we're gonna go to switch costume and looks, put it right there, penguin step, yes, and then we're gonna take it to, of course we're gonna add that one later or else it wouldn't move. After that we're gonna bring it right about here. Okay, over here. And then we're gonna make it go to, no, we're gonna make it glide 2 seconds on the position that is mentioned, but 3 instead of 9. Now let's try running our code. It says, hi, I'm a penguin. What's your name? I'll just type in, wow. And now it's leaving the stage. And then we're gonna make it like disappear. By the way guys, if you're liking this video, so don't forget to smash the like and share button. Don't forget to subscribe either. Add 2 final touches. Into the look section, we choose a show for the starting and hide for the end. So look, it shows tick, hello Isha, and then it disappears. Wow, it's as if it just walked away and went to his friends. So did you like it? I know I liked it anyway. It was pretty fun.